Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change the aspect ratio and CapCut PC. Let's get started. Open up CapCut. Now once you open the CapCut, simply open any project. So once you import your video, as you can see this video is horizontal. So to change it, all you have to do is simply tap on this ratio button. And you will see a list of aspect ratio options appear in your screen. There is also a custom option if you want a specific size. For example, I'm going to go ahead and simply choose this one, which is one of the most common one. Tap onto it and then CapCut will update the project instantly. The video itself does not change, only the canvas. To resize the video, click on the video clip, then look at the right side of your screen. Make sure video is selected and it's under basic. Scroll below and here you will be able to find a scale slider. You can adjust the scale slider. If you want to stretch the video differently, you can turn on uniform scale button and now you can adjust width and height separately. That's it. That's how you can change aspect ratio in CapCut PC and adjust your video to fit the new size. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.